Hello students, welcome to our English class. I'm Miss Annie Itur and today we are going to learn the chapter 3.2 The Kite Festival part 2. So students, in our first video we have learned that the chapter The Kite Festival is about the kite flying festival that has been celebrated in India. A long time ago, kite flying was a great pastime for kids during the holidays. This was back when kites were made up of kite papers and thin wooden frames. And today you can see that the motorized kites and even glass kites are used to compete with old-fashioned kites. There is an history of kite flying that dates back to the many Greek, Indian and other mythological stories about human beings wanting to or attempting to fly. Looking at this, the human desire combined with imagination may probably be the cause of the invention of the kite. It is possible that the box kites were the inspirations for power-driving aeroplanes. In India, you have also learned students that in India, the traditions of kite flying has not changed and this kite flying has been celebrated on Makar Sankranti. So now let us start with our remaining part of our lesson. The chapter 3.2 The Kite Festival from your English Bhalbharti textbook. The passage starts from page number 62 and 63, that is from the kite flying till the brilliance of the stars. The kite flying begins at dawn and continues without a pause throughout the day. People of all ages gather on terrace or rooftops. Friends, neighbors, even total strangers compete with one another and cries of triumph rend the air when someone cuts the line of arrival. So the kite flying had begun from the morning itself without taking pause. Means full day it was gone on. And people of all ages, as I told you, all ages means small children and also big people were doing kite flying. And everyone had gathered on terrace or rooftop. So while flying kite, there were friends, neighbors and even strangers. Strangers means the people we don't even know who they are. And because the kite was in the sky, we was not able to recognize means whose kite it is. And we were just flying the kite like in competition with one another. And whoever kite is been cut, then that person and his friends were shouting in happiness. Okay, so during this day, you will see lots of screaming everywhere. Means people are enjoying this kite festival in excitement, in too much of fun. A wonderful varieties of kite is seen and the fussy buyers can choose what he wants. The more serious players prepare special lines for their kites. There is a music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. So students, during this day, you will see many different kinds of kites in the sky and the fussy. Fussy means very choosy. So that the choosy buyer can buy kite according to his choice. Okay, means he has a choice to buy on his own which kite he wants. And the serious players who are there means they think that my kite should be best and I should only win. So those players prepare one by one lines for their kites. And there is a good music in the air played during flying kite. And delicacies means finds special food items. So during this time, during flying kites, there is a special kind of food that has been prepared for the people who are there during this day. Held on the same day, the bigger event, however, is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. So this big day, the Kite Festival Day, is called as International Kite Festival, and this day is celebrated in Ahmedabad. And who is organizing this? This event is organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. Okay, and this International Kite Festival is either held at Sardar Patel Stadium or at the Police Stadium, because this event is such a big event that it needs stadium for eventing it. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites, and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries. Exciting spectacles watch in work as marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar into the sky. So in this festival, the international means from all over the world. Okay, kite flyers comes and they show their skill in flying exotic kites. Exotic means belonging to far away lands, and also local champion comes and take part in this competition. And our Indian kite, which are made up of thin paper and wooden frame, is competing with those people who are coming from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries. Okay, because everyone has their separate kites. If you see in the images, you will see that varieties of kites is been seen during this festivals. Okay, so our Indian kite is competing with those kind of kites. Okay, coming from other countries, and the audience who are there, who have come to see this festivals, watch with exciting spectacles in workmen's wonder, amazement. So they watch it with great amazement. Okay, and there you will see marvelous shapes of kites as shown in the figure, like eagles and snakes saw, which is separate in the sky, means everyone has their choice kite, means separate kites you will see during those days. Okay, in the stadium while the event is being celebrated. One of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. A visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city is obsessed with kites. People crowd the streets and buy their stocks, haggling through the night. So students, one of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar, which is called the heart of the Ahmedabad. And this bazaar is open for 24 hours a day for a week during the kite festival. Okay, so there are people that during the middle of the night also go there and visit the bazaar, and this really proves that the full entire city is obsessed means totally occupied with aspects. So people are very excited and happy to buy the kites, and everyone you will see, means all the people make a crowd on the street just to buy their stocks of kite, and that also with haggling through the night. Haggling means bargaining, so people are bargaining to buy their stocks of kite or other things. Okay, and people are very obsessed that my kite also should be the best. So they are looking for the best kites, and for that they are bargaining on the street. And you will just imagine that how the people are so excited over there. It's full of enjoyment. This much excitement people have during buying their kite. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skills and how to prepare the special thread used for kite flying. Mixtures of glue and ground glass covers the line which are dried and rolled onto reels known as firkis. Those lines are so sharp that carefully used they can cut a finger. So there is a skilled craftsman which they are very perfect in their skills, okay, and they show us how they used to prepare their special thread to fly the kite, which is called as manja, okay, which is used for kite flying. So this manja which is there, no, it is made up of mixtures of glue and with the help of ground glass, that this thread is so sharp that it is rolled onto the reel. Reels been known as the firkis. If you see in the pictures, such type of firkis are there, and for that this thread has been rolled. Okay, and this thread is so sharp. If you do not use it carefully, it might cut your finger. So for that you need to use this thread very carefully while you are flying the kite. The excitement does not end with nightfall. Now it is time for illuminated box kites, often strung on one line, to be launched into the sky, called tukals. They add a grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of stars. So, as it is a daytime, during daytime, people fly kite, but as it the day fall and night comes, the excitement of the people does not end, because at the night they make use of illuminated box kite means lighted up. So that box kite is done with the help of light, and all people together launch that into the sky. If you see in the image, such type of illuminated light box have been launched into the sky, and they are called as tukals. So many times you must have seen in real or on the television that they also as a brilliant, so beautiful they look, and they are competing with the dark sky. So at night time you will see the stars are sparkling, and even the brightness of this illuminated box also compete with the beautiful stars in the sky, and everywhere you will see so beautifully it has been done that the sky and the illuminated box, the lighting box, has a equal uh, sparkling into the sky during the night time. So students, I stop here with my explanation. I hope you have understood the lesson. So now let us do the question answers which is there on in your English textbook. Now students, let us move to the English workshop that is on the page number 64. So our first question, give the antonyms and synonyms of the words below, choosing from those given. So here students, there are two boxes of synonyms and antonyms. From here you have to find the right answer and write it down. So our first word, happily, synonyms is joyful and antonyms is the sorrowful. Second, traditional, synonyms is the old fashioned and antonyms is modern. Third word, halt, synonyms is pause, antonyms is start. Then the fourth one, triumph. Synonyms is victory and antonyms is defeat. Fifth, exotic. Synonyms is foreign and antonyms is native. Sixth, rival. Synonyms is the competitor and antonym is the partner. 7. Soar. Synonyms is rise and antonym is drop. Then the last word, brilliance. Synonyms is luster and antonym is the dullness. Question number 2. Say whether the following statements are true or false. First, fiberglass kites lead to creating power-driven aeroplanes. Answer is false. Second, in Gujarat, the kite festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. Answer is true. Third, Uttarayana starts from Makar Sankranti onwards. Answer is true. Fourth, kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport come festival. Answer is true. Fifth one, the Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. Answer is true. Sixth one, the special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. Answer is false. Question number 3. Underline the verb forms in the following sentence and state their tense and aspects. So our first question, they are waiting for the right wind. So here the underlined word is are waiting and tense is present progressive. Second one, people were haggling over the price of kites. So here the underlined word is were haggling and tense is past progressive. Third, vendors had been selling kites all through the week. Here the underlined word is had been and tense is past progressive. Fourth, skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills. So here underlined word is had demonstrated and the tense is past perfect progressive. Fifth one, State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. So here the underlined word is will be organizing and the tense is future progressive. Last one, kite flyers and exotic kites. So here the underlined word is kite flyers and the tense is present perfect progressive. That's all for today. I stop here with all my explanation. I hope students you have understood the lesson and have gained knowledge from this lesson. You can write it down these notes into your notebook. Thank you students. Remain safe and God bless you. Thank you.